Hey everyone, and welcome back. This week's recipe review is a creamy chicken Alfredo pasta bake from Creme de la Crumb. It's everything you love about classic Alfredo, just baked and bubbly. It's made with simple ingredients, uses a homemade Alfredo sauce, and bakes up in less than an hour. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so overall, this creamy chicken Alfredo pasta bake turned out really well. I appreciate how easy it was to put together, even though there are three separate steps with the chicken, the pasta, and the sauce. Still, it wasn't complicated. The only thing I would do differently next time is the chicken. I'd cut the raw chicken into chunks, add some salt and pepper, and then cook them. That way they'll cook faster and you have greater control over how evenly it cooks. I used a disposable 9 by 13-inch baking pan because I had an extra one on hand. I baked it for a total of 18 minutes for the cheese to brown slightly around the edges. Now on to the taste test. The Alfredo sauce was the star of the show and was delicious. I used half and half for a lighter option, and it was nice and creamy. It will be thinner compared to using heavy cream, and you may have to cook it a little longer to get the consistency you want, but it definitely worked out well. I used freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and that does make a difference in the taste. It melted into the sauce for a smoother, creamier result than prepackaged cheese. I also suggest being generous with the salt and pepper for the sauce. This is a 20-star recipe. It shows how easy it is to make Alfredo sauce from scratch that's simply seasoned from pantry staples. And it's 1,000 times better than anything you buy in a jar from the store. So if you're craving chicken Alfredo, this pasta bake is absolutely worth making. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch my other reviews in my chicken recipes playlist.